Welcome again to our lovely channel. A channel of joy, happiness, and delicious food preparation. Today we are going to prepare spaghetti. A very delicious food. Step 1. Boil the water. Fill a large pot with plenty of cold water. A good rule of thumb is about 4 to 6 quarts, 4 to 6 liters, of water for every pound, 450 g, of dry spaghetti. This gives the pasta enough room to move around and cook evenly. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water. This seasons the pasta as it cooks, enhancing its flavor. Some people also add a tablespoon of olive oil to help prevent the pasta from sticking, though this is debated. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. A rolling boil is when the water is vigorously bubbling and doesn't stop when you stir it. Step 2. Cook the spaghetti. Once the water is boiling rapidly, add the dry spaghetti to the pot. You might need to bend longer strands to get them fully submerged as they soften. Stir the spaghetti immediately and frequently during the first minute or two of cooking. This helps prevent the pasta from sticking together. Cook the spaghetti according to the package directions. The cooking time usually ranges from 7 to 11 minutes, depending on the thickness and brand of the pasta. For al dente spaghetti, slightly firm to the bite, cook it for the lower end of the recommended time. If you prefer softer pasta, cook it for a minute or two longer. Step 3. Test for doneness. Start testing the spaghetti for doneness about a minute or two before the suggested cooking time. Use a fork to remove a strand of spaghetti from the pot. Taste it. It should be cooked through but still have a slight firmness in the center, al dente. If it's too hard, continue cooking for another minute and test again. If it's too soft, drain it immediately. Step 4. Drain the spaghetti. Once the spaghetti is cooked to your liking, immediately remove the pot from the heat. Step 5. Serve. Transfer the drained spaghetti to a serving bowl. Immediately toss it with your favorite sauce, like tomato sauce, pesto, or a cream sauce. Adding the sauce while the pasta is still hot helps it absorb the flavors. Serve hot and enjoy. You can garnish with grated Parmesan cheese, fresh herbs, or a drizzle of olive oil if desired. Enjoy your perfectly cooked spaghetti.